This right here is the Yeedi S16 Plus, my absolute favorite all-in-one robot vacuum of 2025. Yeedi is going places with this machine, absolutely incredible. It features top-notch mapping as well as navigation, and what's more, the most incredible suction power thanks to the brand new Fire Blast concept. And now it also offers a roller brush. It's called the Ozmo Roller, and in a recent video, you can check it out right here, I already explained the new blast tech that was developed in-house by Ecovacs. So check it out if you really want to know what makes and breaks a great robotic vacuum. The T50 Max Pro Omni was already great, but as you know, I absolutely love the roller brush concept since it's not smearing around the dirt, but actually picking it up and getting it off the roller immediately like a dry wet stick vac. Just incredible tech. And now the Yeedi S16 Plus, it has both. It has the incredible suction power as well as the best wet wiping system. So prepare to be amazed by the most cutting edge robotic vacuum combo of 2025, of course, with an all-in-one great looking base station powered by an industry's first EV grade pouch battery that can sustain the crazy 16.3 liters per second airflow, as well as 16,000 PA of suction power for a long time. With this, we're talking up to 1.x faster and better dust pickup, and now 16x stronger mopping pressure. There will be no dust left behind, no stains, nothing, and no more dirty mops, no more missed spots. Blast plus Ozmo Roller. So yeah, looks and sounds amazing, right? But is it actually that good? Well, let's find out. New drip. Got a new drip from Yeedi, the S16 Plus. And by the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. Yeah, now let's check it out. There we have it, the most advanced robot from Yeedi to date. On top we have the quick start guide and also the plate for the base and the paperwork and also the cable. And then the robot itself, that is epic. And then we of course have the base station right there. So first of all, we have the cable, so a nice and long, thick cable for the wall outlet. Next, we have the part for the base, the ramp, of course. We also have the paperwork. So we have the declaration of conformity right there, limited warranty, and of course, the dedicated manual in multi-language. We have all the languages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here all the specs. And the rest is multi-language. And then also very important, we have a great quick start guide, how to unbox it, what's inside, startup, setup, connecting to the app. The setup is as simple as popping in the ramp, filling up the water compartment, which I already did. As you can see, back in. Now we can power it up. As you can see, the status LED will go live, and then also switch on the robot, and we can now just manually put it in and it will.
Welcome to use Yeedi Robot. Please scan the QR code on the robot to download our app and connect to the network for a better experience.
It will talk to us, and now we can check out the app. That's the publisher right there. There is only one app, so you can't go wrong. Let's open it up and we can click add a robot, give it all the permissions, and now we can scan the code. Right there. So we can click next right there, click on done. Okay, give it all the permissions and allow that. And we have it right there. Connect to the Wi-Fi. So this one.
Network setup in progress.
Okay, so let's wait for that to finish. And your robot is actually already getting prepared. So this is the setup basically now with the AI assistant. Very nice. And we have just one floor for this test. So first of all, we have the mentioned blast technology, incredible suction power. So whether it's small or large debris like these pet food pieces right there, Cheerios, rice grains, cat litter, it will pick it all up and then of course deposit everything into the base. Next we have the Ozmo Roller. So we have a great vac and also a great mop in one great looking robotic vacuum. As you can see, everything was wiped without any residues. It's not smearing around. This milk right there, it's picking it all up, depositing it into the internal tank and then of course into the base as well. And thanks to the zero tangle feature, even large amounts of hair or pet hair, you name it, whatever fibers on the floor, it will pick it all up without getting stuck or tangled. To best demonstrate the zero hair tangle capabilities, first of all I have this, well, fiber material. It's a weird mixture basically, but nevertheless, none of that was stuck neither in the rolling brush nor in the side brush. Then we also have dog hair. Very, very annoying stuff right there. This gets everywhere. It sticks to pretty much any surface. And also right here, it cleans it up perfectly. No single hair left. And when we turn it around, it just looks perfect. None of them are stuck. No residues, just all of them sucked into the robot and then into the base station. And lastly, we have these long strands of hair. Robots without the anti-tangle tech comb, basically these would get completely stuck and they can even bring the rolling brush to a complete halt. But as you can see, we can stop the test right now. It got sucked in and it's gone. It's not sticking on the side brush or on the roller brush. It's just perfect. A hands-free robot right there. It will clean itself. There is nothing on the side brush and nothing on the roller brush. It looks very clean. And now, of course, we have the same awesome cleaning capabilities for the mop. So here, another round of milk and also tomato sauce, nicely colored so that it's greatly visible. We get a perfect result and everything is cleaned off the roller mop straight onto the base. So we have the mop in a very clean state. And now check this out. The clean water tank still has a sufficient amount of water, so it's very efficient when it gets to that. And now check this out. The dirty water tank, it's all in here. Nasty brown liquid from the floor to the tank. And again, the robot is still looking like brand new, no residues, nothing, just great results and spotless floor and a spotless robot. Absolutely awesome. So the maintenance is basically zero. It will clean itself, no stuck hair, nothing at all. It's a performance beast and the Ozmo roller can even flare out to reach all the way to the wall. This is an incredible machine, a great new invention by Yeedi. So right here on this carpet, this pet dust is a massive PETA to pick up. Clearing that out by hand with a brush or something like that is super annoying. So next, let's see if it will pick up all of that. This was added to the log. And now let's go for another zone clean right there. But it will first complete the mop washing, of course. Next, we want the vac only power mode right there. So this will absolutely smash those little debris. So right there, just the carpet. Let's watch it.
Return to station.
Now that was fast, and as you saw, spectacular results. Pretty much everything is gone. Well, there is a little one right there. But the carpet not only was deep cleaned, but also refreshed when it gets to the looks. And if need be, we can just hit it for another round. This just took like 1 minute. Now check that out. The second pass did the trick. Now literally everything is gone. Perfect results. Massive thumbs up from my side. The blast technology is epic. So let's just click on map your home and go.
Start mapping.
The LiDAR sensor is very deep. It's very low to the ground and it will catch obstacles much better than when it's on the top, as on most robots. So for example, this step right there, this will get detected with this spot, but other robots will not detect this and ram straight into it. But in any case, let's just watch the mapping. And as you can see, it will just continue where it left off until we have a complete map. And it's not visible in real life, but you can see this line right there. Wow, that's really awesome. So we have the edge sensor right there and this line right there, both of course for detecting near obstacles and stuff like that. Completely invisible with the human eye, but on the camera this is actually visible. Really interesting. So that's the map right there. So I want to edit this map right away. So we can combine these two rooms just like that. And now we can divide the room, yeah, I think right there, because over there that's the bedroom. Yeah, just like that. So we can also now add furniture. So the bed, for example, would be right here. So really, really awesome features. So like that. And we also have a sofa. As you can see, it's right there. Nice. So right there we have the sofa and even pet supplies and stuff like that. So you can really exactly set up your flat, which is awesome to see. We can set virtual boundaries, no-go zones, and we also have a carpet right there pretty much. Boom, let's go. So you can get this map perfect. And best of all, as you can see, we can also get this as a 3D model, which is awesome to see, and draw a smiley face to rotate. All right, so I want to go for the vac only cleaning mode and just see how well it will do. So let's start and let's check that out. So it will first do the carpet, and as you can see, it's pretty exact, very awesome. I've programmed the carpet a bit bigger than it actually is, but regardless, it will do the carpet first and then the rest afterwards. Check that out. When there is not enough light for the vision-based navigation system, it will actually turn on its own light. It's very quiet actually in the standard mode, which is great, and the brush is behaving like that. So that's a really cool new approach. Great job, great job. Very efficient, very silent, as I said. It did respect the time, did not self-empty, but we can of course empty it ourselves.
About to start auto-empty.
So let's...
You might hear a little noise.
You might hear a little noise, that's cute. Wow, that's actually super quiet. And it also detected some threshold ramps. We can add all, and as I said, the carpet is actually too big, so we can edit that like that pretty much. That's it. So we have the cleaning record now available. As you can see, great pathing, super efficient, super precise and fast. That's what I love to see. Just a 10 out of 10 when it gets to the navigation, as well as to the object recognition, as well as avoidance. And now let's go for some stress tests. So now I want to test out the mopping capabilities, but only in this area right there. All the travel paths are without mopping and vacuuming. And now it has put down the mop. We can also see how it will flare out and reach all the way to the edge. Then it will retract again and flare out again. That is awesome. This automatic retraction is so dope. Check it out, all the way to the wall. Thanks to the sensor as well. Otherwise there would be like such a big gap in between, but this way it can reach all the edges. That's why it's called True Edge. And now we have the path as a white line with the outer glow for signifying the mopping path. And the amount of water is looking great to me. Check it out, the wall sensor and the roller in action right there, picking up the dirt and then immediately sucking it out into the collection bin. Very even wetness, great results, and again, very fast. Check that out. Precise lines, precise navigation, and that should be the last pass. So right there, one additional round of true edge cleaning, and check it out. Super close to the wall, awesome. Okay, it will actually do a super fine zigzag pattern now. So if you go for a small area, it will do a deep clean basically automatically. Okay, when we click here, we can add extra areas, and we can also skip from one area to the next right here. That's awesome. And as you can see, when the cleaning is done, it will retract the mop, so there is no line, and it will go back to the base, wash it, dry it, and the result is perfect. So it will now do the mop washing and all of that good stuff, and meanwhile we can go and prepare the next stress test. This device is looking so great with the brushed aluminum top plate. But first it's also magnetic, just beautiful. Let me get rid of all these protective measurements right here. Absolutely nice cover plate. I mean, look at that, that's looking beautiful. Oh, it's a completely new brush. Never seen something like it. And this one can even flare out. And same for the base, lots of wraps and covers. So all of that has to come off. This tray right here has a note as well for installing the ramp. And now look at that, completely new navigation, awesome bumper, the bristle looks completely new, dust compartment in here, and the water tank is actually right here on the back. All of that will get filled and cleaned automatically, and the base itself, we can pull out these tanks from the top. And lastly, here the front cover, and here we also have this box with the cleaning solution. Oh my goodness. Very sleek, very nice materials, nicely rounded corners, great looking, pleasing to the eye design. So first of all, we have the two water compartments. This one for the fresh water. It's looking like that. And when it's closed up, then you can easily grab it right there. So perfect. So the two compartments on top. Same here, we can open it up like that. Here for the wastewater. And same again, when it's closed up, it's secure. You can grab it like that and then insert them. You can remove this insert right here for easier cleaning, and the robot itself is looking like that with the great
We don't have a map yet.
touch sensitive
Please
on-off
move the
button.
robot back to the station station and trigger the task again.
That's the dustbin compartment right there with the instructions on top. And here we also have a little guide. But most impressive is of course the back side, or actually the bottom of the robot. In here, the usual brush, but this one with the anti-tangle features, and look at that, a hybrid solution right there. Awesome design. Then of course the all new side brush right there, completely new design. I have never seen this. All the sensors on the bottom, and most impressive, the new roller brush that can, well, not flare out but extract. So we need to do a double tap. Wow. And now we can take out this one right there, and with this button we can fully take out the roller mop. That's the thing right there, very easy to clean. Just in case you want to do it manually, here we have the motor. Very interesting design, very creative. So let's pop it back in. We'll get the audio feedback with the true edge right there, so cool. So, very nice. Back in. And of course, not to forget, in here we have the spinning and LiDAR and the visual based sensors, really the bleeding edge of navigation tech right here. Everything in here is highly customizable, from the cleaning mode to the suction power to the water flow rate. Check this out, that is incredible. That's just epicness on a whole other level. Then we also have the cleaning speed from standard to deep clean to quick, cleaning passes, and of course the advanced settings down here. So check this out, we can create a sequence, we have the auto resume, the do not disturb time, and we can turn on just like that. This bot does come with an integrated light. We also have the carpet settings, suction boost on carpet, and we can also clean it first. So many new settings that I've never seen before. That's actually a great option. We have noise reduction options now too, and also the AI infused features right there. Intelligent deep mopping, the new navigation of course. So with many cables and many kids toys we could ramp up the sensitivity right there. Then we can also turn off the night vision supplementary light, but that's of course all on, which is best. Here we can check out all the specifics about the robot, and there is more up here. So right there with the little gear icon, here we have the cleaning log, the scheduling, also maintenance for all the accessories and parts with the lifespan, and also how to replace it and how to take it out, clean it. Really cool. Here we can also again access the advanced settings for the robot and for the base station, and we can also call the robot or release the roller mop, which we just did manually. And also right here, when you want to transport your robot, and even advanced lab features, quite incredible. And lastly, let's check out the base station settings right there. So we have the shortcuts for emptying the dustbin, wash it or dry it. And we also have advanced settings right there. Standard should be absolutely fine. And we can also do this with a quiet mode, mop wash settings, also the wash methods and the frequency, and here also the hot air drying duration, as well as other settings, for example off-peak charging. So this is quite spectacular for smart home or solar powered homes. Here we have the cleaning solution add-on and also everything about the station. And now it's time to create a map. So as you saw, excellent build quality as well as hardware with a great design. I love the brushed look, it's looking epic, and the performance is just absolutely incredible on all levels, whether it's for dry or wet purposes. And the base station will also clean the robot as good as the robot cleans the floors, and all those capabilities and features for such an incredible price point. It is so much better than the competition, especially in this price segment. I'm absolutely amazed. Top tier value right here. This is a beast. So many great features. The app is outstanding, super customizable. Yeedi just always brings amazing value to the table with great looking devices and a top of the line ecosystem. And what was actually new to me is the fact that Ecovacs is not only powering the D-Bot lineup, but also Yeedi, now giving it their incredible in-house developed tech, such as the Blast concept or system that just leaps the competition by orders of magnitude. The suction power smashes everything that's currently on the market. And now with the Ozmo Roller, this robot also now rivals top of the line dry wet stick vacs. So with this you will get a true all-in-one cleaning solution that delivers great results on all fronts. Just amazing. So all in all, the Yeedi S16 Plus is a definitely repeat. Check out the product links in the description. If you're interested, I will list the link, the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing Tech Magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy, then I will see you soon.